up, y'all? It's Promise with a C, and I am back with another video. This is getting more into my business, Touched by Riel. So just stay tuned and keep watching. If you have your forces, you know we love our forces. I got like 3 pairs as we speak. I was actually giving this pair away, so I'm just gonna go ahead and boost them back to life because I was about to throw them away or give them away. You see them. Always start off when working on shoes by taking your shoestrings out. It ain't no reason to be holding on to these shoestrings, but if you do, go ahead, pop them in some bleach, some water, maybe even a little bit of vinegar. I might just add that in there, I don't know. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of these shoestrings because stop holding on to shit. Stop holding on to them. They're hanging on by a piece of thread just like that man you should have let go a long time ago. Do you hear me? Let them go. I started off just by going over it with water just to get all the residue, all the dust that I could get off with just water. Because if I ain't got to be wasting this shoe cleaner, this expensive shoe cleaner, I'm not. Yes, this is the shoe cleaner that y'all be seeing on all the videos when the man be like, this shoe cleaner, something, your grandma, your mama, I don't care. Just give me the shoe cleaner. This the shoe cleaner that be in the mall. Every goddamn time they want to clean your shoes, this is the shoe cleaner. This is the shoe cleaner that pops up as best shoe cleaner. Yeah, y'all seen the videos. Y'all seen the videos. This is the best shoe cleaner. After I went over it with the water, I just went ahead and added a little. You don't got to be putting too much. People use the big brush just to clean them. And as you can see, I didn't have a big brush. And I'm going to do what I got to do. You know what we call that? I can't say what we call that. But, you know, just rig it up a little. And rig it up, you know. Had to use the little abbreviation. Have y'all ever noticed that forces is hard as hell to clean, but easy as hell to get dirty? You could just be walking. You can be walking in the clearest, the most cleanest street, snow. Let's say you walking in snow, the clearest snow. Your forces is still gonna get dirty, and I don't know how or why. I went ahead and just popped the socks in here because we ain't got no shoe wideners, no shoe prepper, no shoe, none of that. If I ain't got it, I'm gonna make it. So this towel right here, I know it look rough, y'all. I use it to wipe my hands when I'm painting, but I use this towel to make the creases get out of the shoes with the steam. Steam makes it rise, popping the creases out. Also, the socks were in there just to keep it formed. This water was hot as hell, though. This water was like the water in the shower. You know, when you just got to do that little, hey, when you just catch the Holy Ghost, because you're that shit just hit your ass cheeks. It hit your ass cheeks, and it didn't feel too pleasant. But I went ahead and I took the Air Jordan piece off that's usually on the shoestring, and I cleaned it. Because if I'm cleaning the shoe, why not just clean everything? I really don't even know where I put them, and I painted them red like an idiot because I think I'm gonna do something red on these shoes. But here's my paints. Y'all see everybody use these paints for painting shoes, painting everything. So this is what I'm using. I'm just showing y'all my brushes right here, just getting it out the way. And like I told y'all, that shit was hot, and I had to go put that water, that towel, you get it. I had to put the towel back in the water because I didn't put it on when it was hot enough. I also didn't have no cotton balls, but like I said, if I ain't got it, I'm gonna get it. And I just went ahead and used a Q-tip, you get it. I use this to go over it with the whole Dazzler shoe prepper. The whole shoe. I use this. I use these. Small, right? And then I began painting with the white. That's all I did to clean these shoes up pretty much. Cleaned it up real good with the brush. You can just take it that far if that's what you want to do. But I went ahead and I prepped these and I remade them white because, as you know, Forces is white. And I also am doing another part on this video customizing these shoes. This was just the cleaning part, and I just wanted to show y'all, hey, you can bring these Forces back to life, because I am a person who just throws shoes away after I'm done with them or give them away. I try to give them away as much as possible, but when you moving and stuff, you just get to throwing stuff away. This is my first time actually using these brushes and this paint, so I just want to let everyone knows who knows me that Touched by Riel on Facebook, Touched by Riel on Instagram, and Touched by Riel on TikTok is becoming more local, becoming more public, and I will start adding shoes to my orders, to my business. So if you want to hit me up about that, hit me up about that. Also, you see I'm eating Fruities. This is that This is that hood mix. If you know me, you know I say go to the corner store and get me a brown bag. I don't even be telling y'all what's in the brown bag. I just say go to the corner store and get me a brown bag. I need to be careful who I say that to, because now that I'm saying it out loud, it really don't sound right. But these fruities, whew, y'all, love them. These are the shoes. I didn't do the inside. I don't know what the inside would be called. So that part does still look dirty, but I probably will go over it with whatever color I end up customizing these shoes. This is the before, as you can see. And this is the after. The shoestrings are not in there because I'm ordering new ones or going to the store to pick some up, because I refuse it and I rebuke it, and I refuse to be hanging on to that toxic person, that toxic man, that toxic female. I refuse it. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to become a C Baby.